I love going to hardware stores. They can be big or small, new or old. Did you ever find yourself walking through one of these stores and you see some cool new tool or product and you say to yourself, that is so obvious. Why didn't somebody think of that before? Well, that's today's quick tip. I was walking through Menards today and I found this, a bucket. Oh, but it's not just a bucket. It's sort of a large version of this, cleaning wipes or disinfectant wipes. But wait, there's more. The bucket contains 250 dry wipes. Simply take 28 ounces of your desired liquid and pour over the top of the towels. Take the towel on the inside of the roll and feed it through the opening in the lid. Now they're ready to use.
I like it!
The best part? This cost me $1.78. The sale price was $7.49. And after the mail-in rebates, $1.78. Menards also sells refills on these. After the mail-in rebate on those, free. I'm not kidding you. If there's no Menards by you, you can always order these online and then send in the mail-in rebate. Don't forget that you can put different kinds of liquid in here. You could put window cleaner, floor cleaner, disinfectant. I would also play with the amounts that you use. The instructions said 28 ounces, but mine tended to be a little bit too wet. Well, thanks for watching Allie Picked. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching today's quick tip.